Dear students, I am Devendra River Maths sir. Now you can see here class 10th Maths chapter 2.
Now you can see here exercise 2.1. Third question. Express the following statements using symbols. We have to use symbols. Here, the element x does not belongs to A. X does not belongs to A. How can you represent? Just you can see here, x does not belongs to means it is the belongs to symbol. Does not belongs means just you can cancel it. X does not belongs to A. This is your answer. Yes or no? Very easiest questions here. The element x does not belongs to A means just you can write here x does not belongs to A. For example, one more question you can see here. D is an element of the set B. D is an element. That means here element means it is the belongs to. You can write here belongs to. Which set? B. Over. Is it okay? In the similar way, you can do the remaining problems in the same bit, third bits. Now you can see next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Just you can check whether it is true or false and also justify your answer. How can you see here? 5 does not belongs to set of prime numbers. But you know, is it true or false? Is it true or false? Just you can think. That means they are saying 5 is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number or not? It is a prime number or not? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are prime numbers, but they have mentioned here does not belongs to prime number. So it is false or not? Yes, you can mention here it is a false because 5 is a prime number. Yes or no? 5 is a prime number. They mentioned is does not belongs to. Next question once you can see here. See here s is equal 5, 6, 7. That means these three are elements of S. Implies they are asking 8 is belongs to S. Is it true? Is it 8 belongs to S? No. So your answer is false or not? It is a false statement. See here false because 8 does not belongs to belongs to yes or not the set yes. Yet is does not belongs to yes. In the similar way you can do the remaining sums. Now you can see here question number 5. Write the following sets in roster form. You know that roster forms elements are represented in the curly braces which are separated by commas. See here B is equal to the set of all x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6 only. That means here which is a natural number, yes or no? Yes. And also smaller than which number? 6. That means can you write your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't take 6. Why? Because they are asking smaller than. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Don't take 0. Why? Because 0 is a natural number. Is it natural number or not? Natural. It is not a natural number. So I am not writing. See one more question. See. C is equal the set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. If I am taking 8, 8 is a 2-digit number. It's not 2-digit number, so that I am not taking. Next you can take here 17. Can I take 17? Yes, 1 plus 7 is how much? 8 only. Next you can see here in the 2 digit with 2 plus 6, 8, that means 26. Next you can take in 3, 3 plus 5, 8, that means 35. Next you can take 4, 4 plus 4, 8, that means 44. Next you can take 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Next I am taking 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Next I am taking 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Next I am taking 8, 0. Yes or no? 8, 0 also. If I am taking 9, it is more than 9. So don't take 9 values. So that once you can see 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 6 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. See x is a 2-digit number. These are all 2-digit numbers or not? Yes. Such that the sum of its 2 digits is 8. its sum of digits is equal to how much? 8 only. See, all are equal to 8 or not? Yes, so that this is your roster form of the given question. Now you can see in the similar way you can do the remaining. Here 6.1, write the following sets in the set builder form. Already they mentioned here set builder form, they have to convert them into roster form. But here see, we need to write in set builder form. Set builder form, you know that the set of all x such that x, we need to once here 3, 6, 9, 12. See, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 4, 3 4 ja 12. That means these are multiples of 3 or not? Yes or no? Yes. So that you can write here x is a multiple of 3, and this x is less than 13 or not? Yes, you can write here x less than 13. Your set builder form is over. Yes or no? In the similar way, once you can see here, next one 1 4 9 16 25 up to 100. See here, 1 means can you represent 1 square or not? 4 means 2 square or not? 9 means 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. These are all you have studied in the 8th class squares and square root chapter. In the similar way, 10 square is how much? 100 or not? That means all these are square numbers or not? Yes. So that only you can write here 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 comma 25 comma here see 100 is equal the set x such that x is a square number. X is a square number or not? X is a square number. Here up to which numbers they have taken, and x is less than or equal to 10. Yes or no? That means we have taken up to 10 square or not? Yes or no? Yes. And also see which is a natural number, whole number, integers. These are all natural numbers. We are not taking any zero, so that I can write here x belongs to n. Is it okay? See, x is a square number. That means any square numbers up to which numbers we have taken up to 10 only. That means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. These are all natural numbers. Is it okay? You can try the remaining problems. Now you can see another question. 7th one. Write the following sets in roster form. You know that roster form. The elements are separated by commas within the braces. See here what it is your set A. The set of all x such that x is a natural number greater than 50, which is greater than 50, and that means here but smaller than 90. That means how can you represent? Once you can write here it is greater than 50 means don't take 50. You know that's here next number will come 51, 52, 53. There are so many numbers are available. Yes or no? We cannot represent here, so that I will write here up to but smaller than 100. That means we need to write here 98, 99. Can I take 100? No, don't take 100. Why? Because it is smaller than 100. So your answer is completed. See, these are all natural numbers greater than 50 but smaller than 100. Is it okay? In the similar way, one more question you can see here. D is equal the set of all x such that x is a letter in the word LOL. See here, how can you represent here D is equals, what is the first letter? L, next letter O, next letter Y, next letter A, next letter L. But once you can see what is your condition, sir, no letter will be repeated twice. That means here L is repeated already. Yes or no? Yes. So don't take once more time. If you are taking one more time, it is wrong answer. You can take only one time. That means L O Y A. This is your answer. In the similar way, you can try the remaining.